Hi, I'm Angit, co founder of the Lean Suite, where execution of lean manufacturing processes become effortless. Today, we're going to touch on the concept of six big losses. It's a practice that is used to categorize equipment based losses in such a way that it can be addressed by the relevant departments of your business very easily, which can further help you maximize your overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. These losses directly align with your operational excellence and provides an additional actionable level of detail about the overall OEE. These losses can be split into three general categories: availability losses, quality losses, and performance based losses. So, by addressing the six big losses, it will directly lead to a reduction in availability, performance, and quality losses. As a result, your OEE will improve, meaning your manufacturing processes will be more efficient.